I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the project and widget metadata so the system recognizes it. Create an app widget provider info XML under res/XML that defines initial layout, min width/min height, preview image, and update period millis. This tells Android how to display and update your widget. Once done, implement and declare an app widget provider subclass in the manifest with the metadata pointing to that XML. This registers the widget. Make sure to set min SDK and configure manifest permissions if your widget uses network or background features. Now you build the layout and provider logic so the widget is functional. Use a lightweight remote views XML with only supported view types to ensure fast rendering. Avoid complex custom views in your app widget provider. On update, create remote views, bind data, and call update app widget via app widget manager. This is how the UI updates. Once done, add interactivity with pending intent or pending intent templates so clicks trigger broadcast or activity. That lets the widget respond without a full app process running. Finish by packaging, testing, and troubleshooting to ensure reliability. Deploy to devices and try different screen sizes and orientations to verify min width/min height and layout scaling. Home screens vary. If updates fail, inspect a DB shell dumpsies app widget, check logcat for exceptions, and verify pending intent flags. These tools reveal lifecycle and permission issues. Finally, make battery-minded choices. Replace tight update period millis with Work Manager or Job Scheduler for periodic work, and test background restrictions on modern Android versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.